As the U.S. prepares for a possible military assault after that suspected chemical weapons attack, there is word tonight coming in from Russia. The Russians now say the chemical attack was an elaborate setup. Tonight, what the Russians now claim really happened. ABC's James Longman, also here in Beirut.
Russia has consistently claimed these horrific images of a suspected chemical attack were staged. Now they're going even further. The Defense Ministry today showing footage of two men it claims are paramedics who saw a group run into that hospital with video cameras and start screaming about a chemical attack. They say the group whipped up a panic, getting patients to pour water over each other, and then somehow disappeared without offering any proof. The Russians claiming they were White Helmet volunteers, the well-known humanitarian group who've saved so many Syrian lives, and that they were being directed by British intelligence. Russian and Syrian forces have taken control of the site of that attack, a team of international inspectors just hours away.
And James Longman is with us here in Beirut tonight. The Russians claim this was all a setup, James, but how do they explain the horror in those images and really the death count that came from this attack?
I mean, exactly. Over 40 people died in this attack, which is why it's not just the US, but France and Britain who are saying something must be done about the use of chemical weapons. Hard to see how a claim like this is going to stop any action now.
Get in the way at all. All right, James Longman with us here again tonight. James, thank you.
Hi everyone, George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.